See, the K gonna fool you because you're thinking JDM motor, $950, $1,000, transmission, $1,000, $1,200. You want a 6-speed. So you're thinking, okay, I got $2,200 in the motor and transmission. No, the fucking computer is $950 plus tax just to get the computer. See, that's what eats me up.
Whoa! Whoa!
What is going on YouTube? So first and foremost, I want to apologize for all the frogs and shit going on in the background. I am in a very country, very rural type of environment. There's actually a track running on the other side there, so yeah, a little country for y'all city guys. But today what I want to do, I don't have anything going on at the moment. Trap is still in the shop just from that last video of us trying to mount the Jackspania header. And while I was on the Jackspania subject, I figured I'd shed some light on him and what he's done for me so far as this EK goes. Let's go over some of the items that we got so far for the EK. For anybody that doesn't know, the EK is supposed to be, well, it's gonna be my budget, of course budget, hopefully, turbo K swap. This is gonna be my first K swap, and I always said, guys, I would never swap a K unless I'm going turbo. That's the only reason I feel the K outshines all motor H's. All motor for all motor, to me, is just not worth the money spent trying to put a K in a car. It's just not worth it. The H's still hold their own just as good, and sometimes you can get them for cheaper, if not just as cheap as the K. See, the K gonna fool you because you're thinking JDM motor, $950, $1,000, transmission, $1,000, $1,200. You want a 6-speed. So you're thinking, okay, I got $2,200 in the motor and transmission. No, the fucking computer is $950 plus tax just to get the computer. See, that's what eats me up. Whereas the H's and stuff still run good old P28 chip ECUs that you can pick up for a couple $100 and you're good to go. Anyway, what I'm gonna do now is go over some of the parts we've got from Jackspania Racing. As you know, I've been sponsored by him for a little while now, even though things have slowed down on the Civic side of things, which is what he primarily makes parts for. Me and him still keep in contact, you know, here and there, and he's always checking in on me. And this car, guys, is gonna be freaking amazing when I get to put it together, but I just can't start on it until I'm close enough to having everything so that it flows smoothly. You know what I mean? I don't want to start on it now, put the subframe in, and you know, then you have to wait a couple months so I can get the engine and transmission and clutch and all that stuff. So rather than do that, I'm just keeping everything. I'm collecting here and there. I find bits and pieces that I can get, and I get it, but it's all gonna come together. I promise you guys, next summer is gonna be so lit with this car, and we're just gonna go out, we're gonna have fun with it. You know, James is gonna tune it, we're gonna shoot for 500, so we'll get that done when the time comes. But for now, I'm gonna show you exactly what I got so far. Behind door number 1, we have this beautiful intercooler here, and it's got double, looks to be 3-inch in and outs on it on one side, which is pretty much what K's use. So there's the intercooler. In this box, This should be really what I'm gonna call the main event of the whole setup, guys. This should be the turbo kit. Yeah, so there's a damn pipe, looks like. Sheesh. Guys, check that thing out, boys. Fuck, that shit is fucking fire, bro. That shit is fire, bro. Oh my god, look at the fucking dude. That shit is so fire, bro. God, look at that thing, bro. That's crazy. So this is the Jackspania Sidewinder gasket set right there for the manifold. And this, you can tell like it's not cheap, man. It's an actual metal gasket. It's not like those little double stamp ones. So that's freaking sick. And in this box here should be the actual turbo, which you know I'm gonna pull that out. Let me pull that out for you. Shit, boy, check that joke out. Yes, sirski. So here we have it, boys. Jackspania Racing turbo. Not sure exactly what the sizing was on this one. Again, it's been a little while, but you got, of course, the gasket kits and a little fitting there for that. But that's the turbo, good to go. So there's a better look at the downpipe setup. I'm pretty sure that this goes with this. I'm not sure exactly the orientation that it all goes in yet, but I'm pretty sure this part right here would connect to the turbo, and then this will swoop down and hit this piece, which will be going under the car somehow, some way. We'll figure it out. Big beefy flex joint, and it's the good flex joint too. You can tell by the inside, got that accordion style. There's two different types of these. If you don't know, the good ones have that accordion style on the inside. A cheaper one would just be weaved just like this on the inside. Those tend to fail, especially when you two-step and the fire, like the backfires, they'll swell them up and actually cause a big restriction in your exhaust. So these are definitely the better ones, so that's cool. It's got the bung right there, 2 bungs. And yeah, man, it's all there, boys. This thing is freaking sweet. So that's pretty much the turbo kit. I still have to get oil drain and feeds and such. But yeah, that's pretty much the turbo kit right there. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this has the mounts in it. Yeah. Bolts, hardware. What else we got? More bracket stuff. Pretty sure that's a different mount. Yeah. More mount stuff. So I just need a fuel kit. I'm debating, because what I would like to do, honestly, is I know, like, I'm very gracious for everything that Jackspania is giving me, and I don't want to hit him too much harder because I'm not the biggest YouTuber, and I don't want to keep going in his pocket, you know, and messing with stuff. So what I want to try to do is branch out to some of my other brands and try to get like shift cable, shift linkage from like maybe Bullboost or Maxpeedingrods, or like and then Bullboost has a fuel kit. They did have a RBC replica manifold. I might try to pick one of those up. Little stuff like that, and just kind of branch out, give all the people on my team some support, like, and hopefully they can support me in trying to get this car done, because the main stuff is gonna hurt me, bro. The computer, the engine, transmission, that's like the biggest issues that I'm gonna have. So when that time comes, all the added support is definitely much appreciated. But that being said, man, here's another general look at the car. This is her, him, whatever. Again, what I'm also trying to do in the background is find another EK. It's kind of hard for me to find 99s, honestly, but I would like to find a 99, preferably manual, but automatic is cool. And I really want to pull some of the body panels off to help make this one look a lot better, because that bumper is pretty fucked. You can see the cracking in it right there. I think the hood got a couple dents in it. The hood might be all right. I think we can roll with the hood, but the rear bumper is toast. Got a giant crack all the way damn near down the middle on this side. And I need this little piece under the tail light, and maybe even this tail light that looks cracked too. Trunk should be okay. This side looks freaking mint, so I think we're good there. But yeah, just I would like to find a whole car, especially for the interior, because as you can see, the inside is pretty fucked. The seats are trashed in the back. Don't really care for this seat. I don't know how a bird doo-dooed in this bitch, but somehow a bird got in there. And this was when I bought it. It was like that when I bought it. Let's say had the seat outside and the doo-doo, they put the seat in the car. That makes more sense. But then there's also, I think, bird doo-doo on the steering wheel. Yeah, so that's that. But again, guys, it's a vision, bro. And for anybody that saw my H2B before it was the H2B, you'll know, man, I was definitely in the same state when I got that car. Like, the interior was completely trashed. It had these little white balls in it, looked like eggs. I don't know what that shit was, but it was definitely a trash car. But that's always my aim, bro. Like, we got this car for 200 bucks in the current state it's in. See, a lot of people sleeping, bro. Like, just like with my CB7 and that dude in blue video, people really don't believe that you can get these cars for dirt cheap. You can find them, man. And the thing about it is, sometimes they're a little trash, but I like the cars like that, because I'd rather pay cheaper and just do a little work detailing and clean them up than spend more money on something that potentially could be still a piece of shit. So yeah, pick this up for 200 bucks. This one actually has a clean title, good to go. So whenever I'm ready, we can get this thing on the highway and be mobbing it around and stuff. So that being said, guys, if you want to go back and check out the H2B, man, and see how I put that together from this, that'll probably give you a better idea and give you more faith in me, because a lot of people probably are finding me now rather than earlier on, and they're probably saying like, this guy doesn't really wrench. But I really get to work on this stuff, man, and we've been doing this on the channel for years, like at least 7 years probably, and it's just a little slower process for me, man. I don't know, like, my channel don't take off like others, but I still enjoy doing it, man. And I enjoy the feedback you guys leave in the comments, and it's just a cool experience. And the people that I get to work with, like as far as companies and just hanging with different people when I go to shows, meeting people that actually watch the videos, that kind of changes my outlook on like actually being big. Like, I want to get big so that I can get paid enough to do this full time, but at the same time, I'm not discouraged that I'm not growing as fast as I would like, because it's just an enjoyable ride, man, and the experience has just been a blessing. So that being said, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Again, the swap I'm trying to go with is a K24 with some type of, I would like the RSX 5-speed transmission, but if I have to and I got the bread, I'll just grab the 6-speed. I don't want it, honestly, for the turbo, but if I have to, if they're more readily available, that's just what we'll go with. Either way, K24, and from the start, we're not gonna probably do the Type S pump. We're probably just gonna do the completely bone stock K24, see if we can get 450 out of it, see how that rips. I've never had a 450 horsepower Civic before. I know that's going to be retarded. And then from there, we'll just upgrade. We'll do the pump, like the kit, where we get the pump, all the stuff necessary to convert this K24 over to run the K20 pump. Then we'll turn the RPMs up to like 85, 9 grand, something like that. See where it likes to boost and rip it out from there, man. So again, we got the car here. We got the subframe right here, chilling, waiting on us. We got a nice set of rotor slips hidden beneath all this crap in the shop. We're gonna be refinishing those in upcoming videos as well as we move forward, getting closer to actually working on this car. We're gonna definitely be doing DIY stuff with the wheels, and again, when we can find a decent shell for a good price, I don't care about it having a title net. I just want one so I can pull body panels, get this thing a little more straighter off the rip. And you know me, guys, I probably won't be painting it until after it's put together. That's just me. I'd rather it run good first, then we'll worry about paint. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up right here. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you're excited, man, please smack the like button for me. It greatly helps the channel out. I will catch y'all next time. And again, leave in the comments down below what you think, man. Are y'all excited? You think this is gonna be freaking awesome? Everyone keeps telling me, K, bro, do a K. You're gonna be excited for the K. So this is definitely my plan for the K. And also, let me know down below if you want me to talk about that F23 Turbo EK project that I'm also planning. That'll probably happen before this one. So let me know in the comments, man, what y'all think. So should I talk about that in an upcoming video as well? Maybe go a little more in depth, or should I wait and try to find a shell for that first and then we'll talk about it? Let me know. But I will catch y'all next time, guys. Remember, respect all bills. Peace out.